Hello, welcome to JavaFX tutorial part 2. In this tutorial, we will try to draw some lines, give some styles to the lines, and this will be our basic or starting to drawing different shapes in JavaFX scene and adding those scenes to create nice UIs. Ultimately, we'll create nice UIs using different shapes, different things. So let's start with very basic thing, line. I have already created a project. To draw a line, we have to import a package JavaFX dot scene dot shape dot line. Okay. We already have these things. Let's create a line. I am creating a line object. Okay. What are these four parameters? These are actually starting point of x, ending point of x, starting point of y, ending point of y. We'll see when it is drawn in the window. Okay. Dot get children dot add node. You see, we are adding a node. Which node we are adding? Line. Okay. Primary stage dot set scene. Our scene is already added to the stage. And let's set the title of the stage. Change these parameters. So our starting point of line will be, let's make it different to remove confusion. So this is start x, this is end x, this is start y, this is end y. Okay. So our starting point is x, y, ending point is x, y. Okay. I made mistake. Start x, start y, end x, end y. Okay. That means these 2 points are first point. These 2 points are these 2 numbers denote the ending point. These 2 numbers denote the starting point. These 2 numbers denote ending point. Now let's see what is drawn. Okay. In the window, what will we see? Will we see anything? Yeah, we are seeing the line. So we can do the thing in a different way. How? Just comment out this line, create the line object again. I am not passing any parameter. So have created line object. Now I will set the parameter. Set start text. Okay, we have got it. Maybe 10. This may be start point, maybe 20. Now ending point. Maybe 100. This may also be 150. Okay. See, we can set the parameters later on after creating the object. Okay. Okay. Now let's play. Let's comment out this and make this open. Now let's try to give some color and stroke width to the line. Okay. Set stroke. See. Color dot red. Okay. See now what happens. Our color is now red. So let's try to add few other properties. Set stroke width, maybe. Let's make it 10. See, now the line is much wider. Actually, these properties are the properties of the parent class of line. What is the parent class of line? The parent class of line is actually shape. These properties are shape, properties of shape class. There are many other properties. Let me list here. In properties class, many properties are there. Fill. Okay. Fill, maybe for example you are drawing a circle. We will show it later. You want to give a fill color to the circle. You can give it using fill property. Actually, these are the properties, but the syntax in JavaFX language is set fill color, set fill, or set stroke width, as we have seen. Another property is smooth. We can set smoothness. Stroke dash offset. If we want to make dashed line, we can set offset of the line. And the properties are set stroke line cap. This property is actually used to make the ending point, make the ending point of the line. Maybe, for example, stroke line cap dot butt, but stroke line cap dot round. That means the for example, let's show you what happens. For example, our line was previously looking like a rectangle. Let's make the stroke width larger. You will see that it is looking just like a rectangle. Let's run again. It's looking like a rectangle. Let's see what stroke line cap does. Stroke line cap. Okay. Stroke line cap dot round. If we set stroke line cap dot round, then what happens? It will no longer look like a rectangle. Rather, the ending corners are rounded. This is the target, or this is the aim of stroke line cap. Okay. So there are a few other properties. We'll see those if we need later, but these are the main properties. There are a few other properties. Stroke line join. This is actually used when more than one line meets. What will be the properties, or what will be the how will they meet? This property defines that. And stroke type may be another. Stroke type actually, for example, we want to draw a boundary. How will the boundary look like? Will it be the inside boundary or outside boundary? This is set using stroke type. Okay. So we hope that now we will be able to successfully draw any line, give any properties. If anyone tells us, if our manager tells us, draw few lines, draw few parallel lines in the window, we'll be able to do that. And if I tell you an assignment for you, draw a rectangle using 4 lines and give 4 different colors to the 4 line. So try to draw a rectangle using 4 lines. So you try to give 4 different properties on color, on line cap, on stroke width to the 4 lines. Your concept of line will be clear. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again in next tutorial, and happy learning.